Hey there, weight loss warriors! Are you ready for an epic battle against those stubborn pounds? Welcome back to Pharmacist Online, the channel that's always here to guide you on your health journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Wegovy, the weight loss wonder drug that's been making waves. So buckle up, and let's discover the answer to the burning question: how long do you take Wegovy for weight loss? Make sure to stick around till the end for some mind-blowing facts and figures. And hey, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest health tips and tricks. Let's roll! So, what is Wegovy? It's a prescription medication for adults struggling with obesity or those who are overweight with at least one weight-related medical condition. This magical potion is taken once weekly as an injection, and it's been showing promising results. But how long do you take it for weight loss? Let's dive into a study from drugs.com, linked in the description below, to find out. According to the study, the duration of Wegovy treatment for weight loss in clinical trials was 68 weeks. And, oh boy, did the participants see some astonishing changes. Here's the breakdown. 83% of patients receiving Wegovy lost at least 5% of their body weight. On average, patients taking Wegovy experienced a whopping 14.9% weight loss and a 5.54% decrease in BMI. It's essential to remember that while Wegovy has shown impressive results in clinical trials, each person's experience with the medication may be different. Factors such as individual metabolism, lifestyle, and adherence to the treatment plan can all influence the effectiveness of Wegovy for weight loss. The duration of treatment with Wegovy will also vary from person to person. Some individuals may achieve their desired weight loss within a shorter time frame, while others might require a more extended period of treatment. Your healthcare provider will closely monitor your progress and adjust the treatment plan as necessary based on your specific needs, goals, and response to the medication. Given these individual differences, it is essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting Wegovy or any other weight loss medication. They will be able to evaluate your medical history, discuss potential risks and benefits, and determine if Wegovy is a suitable option for your weight loss journey. Additionally, your healthcare provider can guide other lifestyle changes, such as diet and exercise, to help support your weight loss efforts while using Wegovy. And that's a wrap, folks. Wegovy might be the weight loss ally you've been searching for. But remember, always consult your doctor before starting any medication. If you found this video informative and exciting, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to share it with your friends and family. It's time to spread the knowledge. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our Pharmacist Online family, where we'll keep you updated on the latest health hacks, tips, and breakthroughs. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep winning that battle against the bulge. Signing off.